Live from ISC West, the journey continues, and our next stop is with DNAKE. I'm joined by Lily. Lily, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Doing well, thank you for asking. So most of our viewers know about DNAKE, they know about your product, but can you do an overview of what you're presenting here today?
Actually, DNAKE is a leading IP intercom video manufacturer in China. So we already focused on this market for more than 19 years. So we are a full solution provider in the market. We not only offer the IP systems for new constructions, but also the two-wire system for old buildings. Yeah, and also we have set up our SIP server locally, so we can do the remote control for all the devices. Yeah.
That's really interesting. And I think the first stop and why people know you guys is your multi-family solution. So why don't we start with the products you have to show here?
Okay, so here I would like to introduce our multi-family solution. So this is our new design for the 10-inch IPS indoor monitor. And this is the 8-inch version. It's not only for the vertical, but also for the horizontal. Yeah.
I love this design. We did a review actually on our channel about this panel, and I like the flexibility you guys offer to the users of your products, and we can show it right here. It looks really nice.
Yes, yeah. So actually, this one also can be used in the home automation part. Yeah, some of the clients, they are preferring to use the vertical version because maybe in the room there with a narrow space. Yeah.
And I know that these devices can also integrate cameras. Can you talk a little bit further on this particularly?
Yeah, actually our products can support on wave, and also you can fill out the RTSP format. So the indoor monitor can support 16 IP cameras at the same time.
Yeah, this is something really important when we're talking about multi-family solution with this one, because you have one angle for your intercom, and being able to review the whole situation on your camera makes a lot more sense because you can see the whole scene.
Yes.
Now, I know you wanted to also talk about a station that you have inside of this booth. Can you show it to us right now?
Yeah, sure. Actually now, this is our outdoor solution. We have totally different solution with the IPS touch screen version and with the keypad version. Yeah, so for this outdoor station, it can support 3 relays output. So which means you can unlock 3 doors, and also with 1 weekend output. So it can support to connect with the third party like the car reader or access controller. Yeah, and for our outdoor station, we also integrated with the induction loop. So this one can help the people who with the hearing issue. And we also have breather dots on the number 5, which can help the people who with the visual issue. Yes.
Yeah, that's really thoughtful to be able to integrate everyone using your panel here. And how about how can we open a door? I know you guys are really strong on that aspect. So having facial recognition, you have also PIN code. Can you tell us about more with the S650?
Yeah, sure. So for this solution, it can support face recognition and use the PIN codes. Also, you can use the QR codes on the mobile app. So you can press the room number. So you can call to the indoor monitor like that. So you can see there with the 3 relays. So you can unlock any one of it. Yes. And also for our solution, we also can support the outdoor station without indoor monitor solution. So you can just use our mobile app. So for the DNAKE Smart Pro App. So you can see here with the QR code. So you can create the QR code for the visitors. And you can also monitoring who is in front at your door. It's over there.
It's a little bit further in here.
Yes, yeah.
Let me tell you guys, the network is not the best. There's so many signal at ISC West. It's really difficult to connect.
Yes.
And that's something not a lot of people do, that your phone can be kind of a virtual intercom.
Yes.
So you have the outdoor panel, but you're actually able to review simply by using the application. And now I see we have some more space, so we can look at some of the new products DNAKE have to offer. It was really busy, but now it's our turn. So can you tell us about the S617?
Yeah, so for this one, it's an 8-inch IPS touch screen. It's a much stylish design for this monitor. And it can support flash mounts and also surface mounts. You can see this one is also the Android one, so it can support face recognition. And we also have a PIN codes. You can also use the mobile phone and your mobile app directly. Yeah.
And I believe that this is part of your cloud-based solution. So all of these products that we're seeing here can be managed through your cloud.
Yes. And actually, you can do the configurations and management via our cloud platform directly. Yeah.
Yeah, that's really interesting when we're talking about property managers that have multiple sites to monitor. Using a cloud platform like yours makes it so much easy. And now there's something I see here that we need to discuss is actually the new access controls. And this is interesting because we see more and more video intercom manufacturer releasing access control. So I'd like to know which market DNAKE is trying to target with the AC01 and AC02C.
Actually, this is our latest design for the access control, and it is a standalone design with the PoE. So you have no need to connect with the access controller. It will be much difficult for the installers to do the configuration. But for ours, it's very easy, and the design is very stylish. Yeah. So right now for this series, we more focus on the residential and commercial market. Yeah, especially some of the clients, they are using our access controller on the Airbnb projects.
Ah, okay. And so if I understand right, this is a reader access control, but you have a controller inside as well.
Yes, all in one, like the integrated in one. So you have no need to connect with another access controller. Yeah.
So a simple installation. I'm sure installers, integrators would love that. Now, can you tell us a little bit about the difference between the AC01 and AC02C?
So AC01 is a simple card reader, and it also can support Bluetooth. And for the AC02C, this one with the PIN codes, card reader, and also with a camera which can read the QR code.
So same as the video intercom, you can generate a QR code from your phone, put it in front of the access control, and open the door.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this makes it really practical if you have visitors, for example, so you can send a QR code their way and they're able to access it. I love this. Great innovation. And now, why don't we jump to the single family solution? I know there's, again, some new release that you have in your booth that I would like to see myself.
Yes, okay. So this is our IP intercom kit. It's more perfect for the residential market, especially for the single house. So we have different solutions like this one. So this one is our new release, S414. So this one with 2 modes. You can use it for the multi-family and also in the single house. So it is Android design. You can use the face recognition. Also can use your mobile phone to create it temp key, QR codes, or use the Bluetooth to unlock the door directly.
It's very nice. It looks like a small version of this S617. Like it looks like a big smartphone that you would hook up to your wall.
Yes. Because in some houses, they are preferring to use the compact design. Yeah, so that's why we make it as the smaller size. Yeah.
And I also see the E214. I know this one is coming soon, so I'm not sure if we can test it today, but maybe can you explain what it is and what it does?
Yeah, this one is our 4.2-inch indoor monitor with the Wi-Fi solution. Because we have received some marketing reflections about in some disaster areas, they need to rebuild the home. So there is a narrow space to install like the 7-inch or 10-inch indoor monitor. So this one is much compact design for the disaster rebuilding house. Yes.
Yeah, that's again really thoughtful from DNAKE. And so what would be the main difference between the E217 and the E214? It's really just about the compact size?
Yes, mainly it's the same. And this one with the buttons, but for the 7-inch version is all with the touch panel. Yeah, and this one is much economic solution in the market.
Oh, in terms of pricing, you mean?
Yes, yeah.
It's more affordable, guys. So keep that one in mind when it's coming.
Yes.
And why don't we check this one? So again, this is a new product that will be released soon, is my guess. Can you talk about the wireless doorbell kit that you have?
Yeah, so this is our Wi-Fi doorbell solution with the indoor monitor and also a solar panel. Yeah, and this is the new design with the lithium battery inside. Yeah.
So all this kit is a wireless solution that you have, and what makes it different from your other products, your other solution that you have to offer?
Most of our other devices is the wired solution, and this one is the wireless. So the communication is through the Wi-Fi.
And now this is something you've shown us with the different products, is the DNAKE Pro App. So this is cloud-based, and you can manage all your products through this app?
Yes.
So can you do us a little demo, because I think it would be interesting to see even the access control is integrated inside this application.
Yeah, sure. So this is DNAKE Smart Pro App. You can see this is the design for the main screen. So we can support to create QR codes for the visitors, and you can just unlock the door for the access controller directly. And you can also do the monitoring via the mobile app. So you can go to the page and to do the unlock settings. So it can support Bluetooth. So when you enable it, you can choose manually unlock, or you can choose the shake unlock or near unlock. So I can choose this one. So when I close to the devices, it will unlock directly. Yeah, like that.
It's always nice to see a live demo working at ISC West, honestly. Like, trade shows makes it so hard, but I mean, some of the integration I've seen with your Pro app works really well. I think it would be nice also, can you show the process of how to create a QR code and maybe use it towards one of your products?
Yeah, sure. So, for example, like this one. So the internet. Like we can create it, the champ key also. Yeah, so this is a QR code we just created. So you can use this QR code and go to. You can see it just unlocked the door directly. Yeah.
Lily, it's always nice to see new innovative solution from DNAKE. Now, anything you would like to say to our viewers that are watching us today and they cannot come to ISC West? So what message DNAKE has for everyone watching?
Actually, now we already have the local distributors in Canada and the United States. So if you have any interest, just feel free to contact us with our distributors or go to our website. Yeah.
Again, Lily, thank you for your time, and I wish you a great show.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time. Yeah.